Hey yo, Johnny Poppers, what's poppin'? It's your boy TMV here. Sorry if it sounds like I'm a little sick. It's because I kind of am. I apologize about that. It's kind of why no videos have been posted. But I wanted to basically fill you in on a topic that has been misleading and really going nowhere. So the problem is that everybody wants a PC build done. You know, I do too. I really want it done. But I have news. It's happening, but it's also not happening. Let me explain to you. Actually, let me open up one more thing real quick. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I need to change this to this. Alrighty, so, basically, I have categorized everything and basically went through. Basically, I've categorized everything and went through and priced everything. So it seems kind of stupid, but I have. Right, Okay, so hopefully y'all can see this. Basically, for everything here is going to cost roughly about $1,000. But because some of these things you need multiple of, it's going to cost about $3,000. If you go back and watch the last PC video that I did, that'll explain everything. But, oh, hang on, sorry. If I'm looking over here, it's because I have OBS open up on this screen, so I apologize. Alright, but what I'm talking about, reason why it's not happening, but also is happening, I'm going with the pre-built. Pre-built from Walmart, CyberPower Gaming. It's got basically a bunch of stuff. I do have the case already, as you guys know. It's got the Ryzen 7 and everything in it. So it's got the GTX RTX 2060, Ryzen 7, 16 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte hard drive, and 240, which is always upgradable, which is good. Because that case can hold a lot. And so I'm basically just going with a pre-built for now. So, God damn it. Boom. There it is. It's also got a Ryzen 3700X in it. Comes with a backlit keyboard and mouse for $1,000. Now, I know I actually made a video, just haven't ever edited it and uploaded it, but it was basically all my visuals and stuff, which a lot of that has actually changed now because they don't sell my visuals anymore. So what I'm going with now is a Dell monitor once again, but it's the 2019 model. So it's black, which is clean as hell, don't get me wrong. And look at how thin these the bevels are. Hardly noticeable. And they're going to be stacked side by side to one another. And then I might add on the end like a vertical screen to basically turn it sideways. That way I can like run Discord, whatever, chats, stuff like that. But I don't know. I might not. But yeah, I'm just going to run this. And if you guys are wondering how I know that it's a 2019 model, so this P stands for professional, which sounds kind of ridiculous, but it actually does. And then 24, come on, 24, stands for the 24-inch size monitor. 19 stands for 2019. And then the H, God damn it, H whatever stands for HD. So yeah, that's what that stands for. And then let me get my desk pulled up, because I forgot to pull that up. Let me come back over here to OBS real quick. That one, there we go. Sorry, I have to block it out because I have actually sent it to some people on Discord, and that's where I'm just going to grab the link from. And once again, it is on Amazon, so yeah. It's a 55-inch desk, gaming desk. So, and it's got this kind of okay white wavy thing on it. Not too keen on it, but it works. Otherwise, it's black and red. And I'm not too keen on black and red. Don't get me wrong, I like the black and red look, but I want to change where my theme colors are black, white, and blue, which this desk kind of fits in. It's black and white. All I got to do is add blue lights. So, boom. And as you see, there's two monitors that are actually sitting side by side on there. It looks like one, but it's actually two. Basically, you get that entire desk for $119. So that's not bad. I think there's a couple other pictures. Boom, boom. Waterproof plate mouse pad. Basically, it's a big ass mouse pad. And I'm gonna monitor mount my monitors instead of just leaving them sitting down on the desk, because that's how I want it. And yeah, I believe those are controller holders. Hold on, let me check. Yep, controller holder. Which, I really don't have much of a controller. I have my Xbox One S controller. But yeah. There she is. The desk. And y'all are probably wondering what mouse and keyboard. Well, right now I am actually running. It's kind of funny. So I was at Dollar General, and I found a keyboard and mouse, and it's lights up for $20. I bought it. Okay. The only reason why I bought it is because it works for me now, and it gets me off this Dell crappy one that my brother has made super disgusting. But minus that, what mouse or what keyboard I'm going with, it will probably be a different version than this, but it's pretty close. This is the one that I've been looking for. Okay, what do I have? It's a $50 keyboard. Mechanical keys, stuff like that. A nice large. Oh, come on, you stupid thing! I'm just gonna try to play me the video. It's got a nice large wrist rest here, which is nice. I don't think it's mechanical keys, which don't come out on that, but quiet the keyboard. The quieter the keyboard is, the better, because when you're using a mic, you don't want to hear click, 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 because that's really annoying. But that's pretty much it. Oh, and the mouse. Let me show you guys the mouse. Don't ask me how I remember all these names, because, like, yeah. So if you play, like, a lot of Call of Duty sniper games, this is actually supposed to be a really, really good mouse. Some of you might be saying, ew, it's a corded mouse, blah, blah, blah. Well, ew, wireless mouses, because wireless mouses die all the time. So when you're in the middle of fucking, whatever, and it's just dead. I don't have to worry about that. It's got a braided cable, so it doesn't snag on anything. I mean, it could, but like, let's be honest. If you keep your desk clean, it's not going to happen. Walmart actually does sell these mice in their stores. So if you guys want to go to your local Walmart, I would recommend looking at if you have a super Walmart or super center Walmart, go to that one because that one's most likely to have them. Because also, if you want to look at this computer is actually sold in Walmart. If you guys want to go look at it, go to your super center Walmarts because only super center Walmarts have them. I don't know why regular Walmarts don't have them, but apparently they don't have enough room or something. But yes, here you go. You want to go check it out? It's there. That's obviously the name of it. It's CyberPower PC Gaming Master. Blah blah blah. For $1,000. I haven't yet to check in regular Walmart and see if this price is cheaper. If it is, I might yank one. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So, and obviously, you know, for other stuff, you know, like Yeti mics or like microphones, webcams, stuff like that, y'all already know what it is. I'm getting myself a Yeti mic and a Logitech C920, which is a full HD webcam. Instead of this piece of shit here. This one is supposed to be a HD 1080p webcam, but it doesn't even work half the time. So yeah, fun. Right now I'm actually using the laptop stock webcam just because that stupid thing don't work. Otherwise I wouldn't be literally looking at this weird angle of it. But yeah, pretty much that's it. Amazon has this monitor, but so does Best Buy. But Best Buy is sold out of them. And it's a little bit cheaper on Amazon, and you get more stuff. I know some people are gonna be like, don't order monitors online, blah, blah, blah. Well, listen. If it gets destroyed, especially if I order it through Amazon, Amazon's return policy is really well. So if I receive a monitor that's broken, I can return it. And Amazon will pay full extent price. I don't have to pay anything. And they'll just send me a new one because that one's broken. I mean, it might take a little longer than, you know, driving to the store and trading it in. But what can you do? Alright, with that being said, guys, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and join the Discord server if you want. You've already seen a bunch of it. Stuff is going to be changing, stuff is going to be updated. Yeah. If you have any questions about the Discord server or anything, comments down below, please. I don't know when I will see you guys, but hopefully soon. I'm sorry that uploading has been taking a toll. But, well, the uploading itself hasn't been taking a toll, but it's just the fact of that it's kind of hard because when you're dealing with all this shit, and yeah. Hopefully we're getting our new house soon. If you guys don't know, we're sitting in a 2-bedroom right now, and because our other house is not ready yet. So, more on that later. Yeah, I'll explain that in a later video. But, Johnny Puppers, don't forget to like this video, don't subscribe, and peace.